भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की
वीडियो से ये नहीं चेक कर लो ये भी अभी हेलो
प्लीज
These are visuals coming in of BJP President Amit Shah now filing his nominations for Rajya Sabha in Gandhinagar. Only yesterday he had welcomed three Congress leaders, three Congress MLAs in fact, into the BJP fold. And even as he signs his nomination papers, we are hearing more Congress MLAs could jump ship. Priyanka, our correspondent, is joining us. Priyanka, we can see Amit Shah filing his nominations, and it seems he's the most strengthened man because of the internal troubles within the Congress which jeopardize Ahmed Patel's Rajya Sabha seat.
Yeah, so absolutely these three MLAs who have jumped from the Congress party to BJP yesterday. In fact, Balwant Singh Rajput has been made the MP candidate for Rajya Sabha. And, Amit Shah and Smriti Irani and all are finally filing their papers right now. And so there are more MLAs. In fact, we have broken this before that there are more MLAs who are expected to go from the Congress party to BJP. And this is not going to be at all surprising because the BJP seems to be expecting this to happen in the next couple of days before 8th of August, before the elections takes place for Rajya Sabha. And they're saying that there are at least three more who will be jumping from the Congress party to BJP either today or tomorrow. And, other than that, saying there are also other MLAs from the Congress party who will be joining. And this is all going to unravel before 8th of August, before the elections take place for Rajya Sabha. And the BJP is not at all surprised. They're saying that they're expecting this, that they're not happy with the Congress party. And in fact, the Congress party was found, snoozing yesterday when these three MLAs had, come from Congress party to the BJP, and they had got inactive after the whole press conference took place, after Balwant Singh Rajput was, declared as the MP candidate. So they seem to be getting caught off guard by all the BJP strategies that have been unraveling now, and they will unravel till August of 8th.
Right, we can see those visuals. Amit Shah and Smriti Irani, both picks of the BJP, actually filing their nominations. Ahmed Patel has already done that earlier, but all of that is in jeopardy because Congress MLAs continue to jump shift. And that was expected, isn't it, Priyanka, ever since Shankar Singh Waghela made that grand announcement at his birthday rally, really, a short while ago, and made several allegations. He didn't say who he's going to join yet, but from that day, the writing was on the wall that the Congress is going to have to deal with some exits.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
All right, Priyanka, I apologize. We have to cut through. Let's go back to Bihar now. Priyanka, appreciate you joining us.